Summary and analysis of the data. Analysis of the data may be classified as editing of the data. First step, edit completed the questionnaire and delete erroneous data. 11. Tabulation of the data. Method of tabulation depend on quantity of the data. Large scale survey, then machine tabulation, otherwise hand tabulation. Statistical analysis. A useful statistical analysis is established. Different method of estimation may be available for the same data. Efforts are made to keep the procedure free from errors. Reporting and conclusions. A report having detailed statement of different stages of the survey. Type of estimators used. Amongst almost of error expected reported also. Amount of error expected reported also. It was 6C. C was statistical analysis and D was reporting and conclusion. E means information gained for future surveys. The information gained from any sampling survey are potential gained for the future survey. It means B. B was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Limitations of sampling. Principle of sampling sample survey. Limitations of sampling. Sample survey planned and executed properly, otherwise result will inaccurate and misleading. The sample survey done by trained and qualified personnel, otherwise result not trustworthy. If information is required for each and every unit of the population, complete enumeration is the only option. Principle of sample survey. First, principle of statistical regularity, principle of validity, principle of optimization, principle of statistical regularity, sample selected at random so that each and every so that each and an equal every unit of the population has an equal chance of being selected in the sample. As sample size increases, estimates are more reliable and accurate. Principle of validity according to random sampling. When sample selected when sample selected according to random sampling, sample estimates used to estimate population parameter are valid. 3. Principle of optimization consists of to minimize the cost for the fixed variance, that is fixed efficiency, to minimize the variance for fixed cost, to maximize efficiency. Types of sampling. Random probability sampling. Units are selected in the sample according to some law of property. Non-random probability, non-probability or purposive or judgment or subjective sampling. Units are selected in the sample according to our own choice in the non-random sampling, and the selected unit are selected with a definite purpose in view, then it will be purposive sampling, and it depends on the judgment of investigator, then it will be judgment sampling. Simple random sampling, it is a technique of drawing a sample from the population in which each unit of the population has got equal chance of being selected in the sample, and samples so obtained are simple random sample. Simple random sample with replacement. In simple random sample with replacement, any unit of the population once selected in the sample is again put back into the population, and then next unit is drawn. Obviously some of the units may repeat themselves in the sample. Draws are independent. In simple random sample with replacement, probability of selecting any unit of the population. SRSWOR. In simple random sample without replacement, any unit of the population once selected in the sample is not put back into the population, and then the next unit is drawn. Obviously, no unit of the population will repeat itself. The sample draws are dependent.